Hello everyone, I'm Atisha and today I'm going to show you the different steps involved in the purification of water. First, we have to take a jar full of water. Then we have to put some mud particles in the jar. Now allow it to stand undisturbed for some time. After sedimentation, when all the dirt particles settle down in the bottom of the jar, we have to pour the clear water into another jar without disturbing the sediments. This process is called decantation. After sedimentation and decantation, we can still see some light particles present in the jar. We can further purify this water by filtration. First, you have to cut the bottle into two halves. Then you have to keep the upper half of the bottle in the bottom half. The upper half of the bottle will act as a funnel. Then we have to keep a piece of cloth in the funnel. After that, we have to gently pour some water with insoluble impurities into the funnel. This process is called filtration. There are still some soluble impurities present in the water. We can further purify this water by distillation. Distillation is the process in which we first evaporate the water and then condense it. Thank you.